to Young Engineers. Today we're doing a nice little challenge because school's closed. We're doing a language test. So we're going to have Irish and Polish and win some money. So I'm going to, for each 2 answers that you get right, you get €10. And if you get it wrong, you eat some lemon and you doink your head into the flour. Give me the questions. Who's going first? Rock, paper, scissors? Okay. First one. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You're going first. I'm taking this one. Okay, it's Polish. Here, put it up to the camera. I think I might know it. Okay. I know it. Poniedziałek.
Yes!
Yay!
It's It's Monday.
No. Yep, it's Monday.
Yay!
So now this. Okay. I ain't going. I really want the.
You can mix it up.
This is that.
Do you know what language it is?
It's.
Wait, there's a fada.
I know what this one is.
It's Irish.
It's Irish, and it's a Haindag, what means 11.
Yes!
So
Okay,
good,
so
right?
There.
I've got better at Irish since the quarantine, because lockdown isn't. Oh. I know.
I think I already know it. Gotowa.
Aww.
No. G-W-O-W-A.
G-W-O-W-A.
Głowa.
Yes!
What does
That's
that
head.
mean? Okay, I say it's again Irish.
I know what
And
that
that's Madra, what means dog.
Yes!
Why is it complete Irish? Why is Irish going on to me?
Okay.
I got a Polish one again.
Totally.
Is this rigged?
Yeah.
I'm only getting Irish.
C-Z-I-A. C-Z-I-A.
Z-E-I-A.
Zia.
Nope. We are going up onto. No, put your head over it. Now I love that. Okay. Okay, I've actually no clue what language that is.
Sure.
It looks pretty Irish. Actually, no. Shantar. Okay, what does that mean? Never heard of it in my life. S&A.
Oh!
No.
We're doing it.
I-R. Done. It's grandfather.
Grandfather.
Okay.
Wait, did
Hey, no, Sarah. Hey, you did.
It's in my nose.
I know, it gets in your
The
nose.
lemon one's good though.
You said
Leave
that.
it.
No, it's my turn.
Yeah, that's why I'm giving it to you.
I thought you were taking it. It's my turn.
Oh, I know it. It's Irish.
It's Irish. So my first Irish here.
Should I read it for you if you don't know it? Like read it for you.
Go. G-O. Go. R-A-I-B-H.
Go Rev.
Go Rev. Me.
Mila.
Go Rev. Mila. Mot-A.
Mahagut.
Mahagut.
I know it.
Mahagut.
I know it.
Go Rev. Mila Mahagut.
4, 3, 2.
Go Rev. Mila Mahagut.
Okay, so Alan didn't guess it. I know what it is because it's very easy Irish. Go Rav Mila Mahagut, what means thank you very much. So, okay, come on, get ready. Okay. Let me push your head. Would you just
Swallow the lemon.
Let me push your head. Your face. You look like a snowman. Okay, to be my turn. Snowman. I don't know how you pronounce S in Polish?
It's
J, E, D, E, N, A, C, C, I, A. Jensen, Jensnie, You're driving. Like,
I
you're
don't think so.
driving. It doesn't mean driving.
Say when the time's up, you know.
Don't care. J, E, D, E, N, A, C, C, I, A. Jens. I mean 11. Yes!
Sarah, you cheated. You looked at that.
I
It
done
said
yeah,
one
I
down
did.
there. Yeah, you done yeah and
Oh.
yeah, and it said it's that. I'm gonna do. Sarah, let me put. Sarah, let me push it down more.
pushed it down and
Sarah, you pushed it mine down. Okay.
Why did you?
My turn.
Yeah.
Then why were you taking Irish?
Yep.
Irish.
I know what that is.
My second Irish, I think. Yeah, my second Irish.
I know what that is.
Stop messing with the flower. M-U-I-N-E-A for the L.
I know what it is.
Is that a C or a U?
That's a U. Are you blind?
Can
I take one?
No.
Winiel. What means neck?
I never learned that word yet.
Yeah. You're not old enough to learn it.
Will you let me put your face down?
Yes.
I let you.
Yes. Now, wait. You don't need to get your hand out of this. Would you let me just do it? You look like a complete snow. They got into your hair. I'm just going to get mine. And that is still with snow on him.
Polish.
Grosse. Poich. Pound. Pence. Pence. Grosse.
Oh,
Grosse.
just search it up.
Grosse. Yes, grosse. Yes, I got it. What is €5? It is €5, isn't it? €5? No, 5 cents.
Yes. There can't be an N for that.
Oh, I know it. You won't be able to sound it out. 3, 2, 1, 0. You can read it one last time.
Lugina.
Dzień dobry. Good morning.
No.
I told you
No. Dzień dobry isn't good morning.
Dzień
It's
dobry.
hello.
It's good morning. And I told you can't sound that one out. I told you. But I am gonna have to. Let me put your face into this. Now you look completely funny.
But you're not good though. You're not good funny.
Okay. Oh,
Irish.
Irish. Tame on skull. No, tame air skull. It is in the school.
No!
I know it's something with school. It's around the school.
No!
Go to the school.
Yes!
Go to the school. Yes, fine. Got another point.
No. It's Irish.
Oh, I know.
Wait, is it?
Yay! Turn around. I know it. I really want to eat the lemon.
Eat it.
No.
Mod.
I know it.
Margarine. Is that margin? Like.
Hey, yes, it's margin.
Oh, that's margin.
2,
That's
1.
margin.
That's margin. What?
That's margin.
No. Margin ma. What means good morning? Wow,
So
Alan, you've got
unlucky.
so much wrong. You've only got.
So unlucky though.
I know.
Well,
No,
no,
eat it.
it's just-
I say I only ate twice the lemon. You look so funny. Someone
You get-
so there's actually 3 left. So this one's fine. I know it. Dzień dobry. What means good day. Good morning. Dzień dobry. What?
It's easy. Dzień dobry.
Hello.
5,
Good day. Good evening.
3, 2.
Wait. Dzień
One.
dobry. No. Okay, what is this? Thank you very much. Dzięki dobry. Dzień dobry. Dzięki bardzo.
Push your face down.
You said it was.
Sarah! Gonna move it up. Stop.
I don't want to fall.
Yes! Revenge is mine.
Can't
There's only
see.
2. One Irish and one Polish.
Show me. Oh, I know.
It's
I know.
Irish.
Yeah.
Oh. Cane.
Okay, I got it.
It's a cane.
No. I'm gonna say mine. Mine is Dayluin, what means Monday.
Yes!
4, 3, 2, 1. Down. That means head.
I wasn't pronouncing the E properly.
Well, let's see. You get €10. I am going to pay you now. You're tenner. And I get 25. So let's do it. So where is the 20 and 5? Boom. We could have won so much more money. We got some leftover lemons. So Alan, take one.
The smallest. I'm gonna take off my glasses first because I don't want my glasses wet.
I'm just gonna stuff myself.
No, I'm gonna do it. Okay. Okay, Sarah. That's not your full face.
I can't breathe in it.
Okay,
I think I'm fine.
You can't wash it off. Sarah, stop.
You look funny. It's got my head. So I won €25. He won 10.
10.
And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, ring the notification bell. If you want more of these kind of videos,
Comment down below.
and if you don't want to miss, if you subscribe, you might not miss a new project that we're going to be doing soon. It may take a while because we're making from Star Wars RTD2. It's going to be massive. It's going to be like this size, bro. So if you don't want to miss that, don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, and like and comment down below if you want us to continue doing this so you never miss another video. So bye.